Namaste students. Khush Robert here. I, Jeevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic premises and good warehousing practices. Good warehousing practices is the part of the quality assurance for the B Farm 6th semester students. This is the very important protocol for the good manufacturing practices. Now we come to the premises. Premises should be suitable size and construction to facilitate cleaning, maintenance, and storage. Storage areas must be designed to provide adequate illumination, ventilation, temperature, sanitation, humidity, and equipment. Safety purpose. So each material should be stored separate from other material to avoid the risk of cross contamination. Income materials should be quarantined until approved by the responsible person. A area must be provided for the return, recall, and rejected goods prior to a decision on further action. A secure cigarette areas must be provided for the storage of the control. And second one is security. The storage areas should be provided with security to prevent their unauthorized entry. Unauthorized entry for the GMP practices is uncontrolled. Temperature and humidity control. All materials should be stored at appropriate condition as stated on the label on the material. The temperature of all storage areas should be regularly monitored for the current manufacturing practices. It's very important task for the monitoring of the temperature and humidity control. Controlled temperature storage areas should be equipped with recorder and device with indicate when the specific temperature range. A written procedure must be specified, the action to be taken when the occurs, and control should be adequate to ensure that all part of the storage areas are kept. Should always be a backup of the system case main of the fails. Temperature and humidity control, it is very important. Storage areas should be regularly monitored. Now we come to the next step, equipment is also the part of the warehousing and good practice warehousing. There should be planned and preventive maintenance program is placed, and recording and control equipment should be verified and calibrated in internal the appropriate method. Alarm set point should be checked on the periodic interval, and computerized system used for the stock control and distribution should be validated. Now we come to the personal responsibility of the organization. The organization chart should be placed, and there should be a sufficient number of staff. There should be clearly defined job description, and personnel should be trained in relation to good storage and distribution practices and to duties assigned to them. The current record to training should be in place. The trainers should be have established and approved qualification. Now we come to the chart of the organization chart. First one is head stores. Head stores is divided into three parts. First one is deputy manager store and senior executive stores and executive store assistant. So next step is sanitization. Sanitation, a written sanitation program should be placed indicating the frequency and method of cleaning the facility. In area cleaning, standard operating procedure, a pest control program should be in place, and smoking, eating, drinking should be permitted only in specific areas and not in those used for the storage and handling of final drug product. So next step is receipt of the incoming goods. It is carried out according to approval adequate SOPs. Visually examine delivery document of the consignment and delivery challan. So the warehousing and dispatch of the FG, it should be carried out according to approved adequate, and storage area should be maintained or designed to ensure good storage practices. Finished products shipped through the kept pallet. So this is the packaging of the transportation is also the part of the good warehousing practice. This is the complete session. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.